What's good, sneakerheads? Back here with another one. Before we start, let's just go ahead and jump into me buying these things. Here we go. Another pickup from Footlocker. Shout out to Footlocker. I love this store. They always tend to get random stuff like this. I've been waiting on these. I still have a pair reserved down the street at Hibbett. Shout out to Hibbett. But they still haven't got them in. A lot of these places, the shipments came in late, and this was one of them. I just so happened to go there, look to see what they had, and what do you know was sitting on the shelf? He literally just put them out. So, let's check it out. They are the Jordan 1 Equality 2018. Size 12. This was the only size 12 they had. One size 12, one size 13, one size 11, 11 and a half, 10, 10 and a half. They literally only had one on all of them, so I got lucky. But these things look so good. They got the let me pull the other one out. I was kind of iffy about picking these up, seeing them in pictures and everything. They look like the Tuxedo New Balance, the same colorway, the same layout, the same everything, from like last year or the year before last. You gotta love the gold tips on these laces, and it's the same thing with the ones that are on black gold tips right there. But yeah, they did a great job with this shoe. I was really iffy when I saw it on pictures. I was like, eh. But when I saw it in hand, they look great and they feel great too. The quality on them isn't 100% the best. I mean the leather, the white leather that goes all the way around here, it's kind of soft, but it's still kind of stiff too. It reminds me of the last year's All Stars the chameleon color, the iridescent ones, how stiff that was. That it kind of reminds me of that, but it makes up with it with the black. The black isn't a suede; it's more like a velour or like a velvet kinda. But it feels so good. It's like so soft and it feels amazing. If you've felt these, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I mean, the colorway grew on me, and when I saw these on foot, I had to pick them up. I mean, they're only $145, so, and that shows you right there, they're not the true OG Jordans. That and the fact that there's no Nike Air on the tongue. They replaced that with the Carmelo Anthony Player Edition logo. But I'm not complaining, you know, because I mean, if this was a Jordan 1 with like the Nike Air on the tongue and everything else, it wouldn't have the same effect. Sorry, it wouldn't have the same effect that this one has. The fact that this is, you know, the Carmelo Anthony Jordan 1, just kind of puts it together a little bit more, because I mean, it's all black. It pulls the tongue together, you know, like that right there. It looks good. I can't really see it with a Nike Air on there. It just wouldn't balance properly, mainly because they went with the white and the black on it. So it pulls together great. It's got the equality on the back of it right there. That's pretty cool. I'm wondering if that's going to rub off at all, like if it's a pretty good quality paint, or if it's going to come off, you know, if you wear it 3 or 4 times. But it's got a gold Jumpman on the insole. These are true to size as well. I thought because of how slim they look that, you know, it would be a little snug, but really exactly true to size. I tried it on, feel great. And it's, you know, white, black, and it's got gold accent on the inside, gold accent right here. It's just got your typical Jordan thing on the inside of the tongue right there. I know some of these, like the Martin Luther King one, had a date written on the inside of the tongue. They also had equality on the back. Those were cool though. They have a little hang tag on them that has part of his speech right there. And when you flip the hang tag over, there's a design on it. It's like a white and black design. And what they say that is the speech going through water and the design that it made in the water. So that's pretty cool. But the quality on these is great. I'm going to show you a little bit of B-roll right now. When he pulled them out, I did have to pull out both shoes and look, because you never know. I mean, especially with the only shoe that they have, and you know it's going to sell out. You never know with the quality, you know, all the flaws and stuff like that people have been getting. I wanted to double check, and this one actually does look great. So shout out to Footlocker again. Love you guys. Always hook it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. There's not really much to say about these besides what I just said. Go pick them up. They're hitting shelves now at a lot of Foot Lockers and Foot Actions and whatnot. And Hibbett's just now starting to get them in as well. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to follow me on social media. Links are in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I got some more shoes on the way. So they're just starting to come in from that bad weather now, so more videos, and I'm still picking up some. So I'm kind of like, behind now making videos and editing. So yeah, I hope y'all have a good one. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.